there, friends. Didn't see ya. It's Flat Miss Azos. Are you excited for math? Let's get started. In our last lesson, we practiced solving subtraction sentences using many strategies. For example, we used a 100 chart, cubes, and mental math. We are going to continue practicing these skills, but this time we will take it a step further by solving story problems. Therefore, our goal for today is I can solve subtraction story problems with two-digit numbers. Let's look at a story problem. Here is our story problem. Goldie had 50 dog treats. She ate 20 of them. How many dog treats does she have left? What important information do we know? We know that Goldie had 50 dog treats and ate 20 of them. How can we turn this into an equation? Well, Goldie starts with 50 treats and eats 20 of them, so we can subtract 20, making our equation 50 minus 20. How can we solve this problem? Some of you might use pictures and draw the dog treats. Some of you may use cubes, and some of you may use a number line or mental math. I'd like you to pick one of these strategies to solve for 50 minus 20. Then hold it up for me to see. Great work! Now let's go over this together. I'm going to use cubes to solve this problem. Because Goldie starts with 50 treats, I have 5 tens. Then she eats 20 treats. So how many tens do I need to take away? Right. I need to take away 2 tens. And now I have 1, 2, 3 tens, and 3 tens is equal to 30. Therefore, 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. That means that Goldie has 30 cookies left. Wow, friends! Learning with you is a blast. Now, let's solve another story problem. Miss Azos has 25 pencils. Miss Azos has 10 more pencils than Miss Miller. How many pencils does Miss Miller have? At this point, please pause the video, solve, and write your answer down. And please make sure to show your work. Again, what important information do we know? We know that Miss Azos has 25 pencils. We also know that she has 10 more pencils than Miss Miller. So what should our equation be? If Miss Azos has 10 more pencils than Miss Miller, are we adding or subtracting? We are subtracting 10 from 25 because Miss Miller has 10 less pencils than Miss Azos. Therefore, our subtraction sentence would be 25 minus 10. Now this time, I'm going to use mental math to solve. We know that when we subtract a group of 10, that the tens digit goes down by 1, and the ones digit stays the same. 1 less than 2 is 1. And because our ones place stays the same, that means that 25 minus 10 is equal to 15. We figured it out. Miss Azos has 15 more pencils than Miss Miller. Because we are on a roll, I'd like to solve another story problem with your help. Here is our story problem. Miss Miller has 70 flowers. Miss Azos has 50 flowers. How many more flowers does Miss Miller have than Miss Azos? At this point, please pause the video, solve, and write your answer down. Okay, friends, let's go over this together. We need to figure out how many more flowers Miss Miller has than Miss Azos. And what important information do we know? We know that Miss Miller has 70 flowers and Miss Azos has 50 flowers. In order to figure out how many more flowers Miss Miller has, we need to use subtraction to find the difference. Therefore, our equation would be 70 minus 50. This time, I am going to use drawings to solve. Okay, I drew 7 groups of 10 to represent Miss Miller's flowers and 5 groups of 10 to represent Miss Azos's flowers. One way that I like to find the difference is by pairing these numbers. The numbers without pairs represent the difference. How many groups of 10 do not have a pair? 2 groups of 10 do not have a pair. That means the difference between 70 and 50 is 20. Therefore, 70 minus 50 is equal to 20. Miss Miller has 20 more flowers than Miss Azos. Miss Miller, I'd love to take a look at your flowers sometime. Wow, friends, it's been a busy day. Do you think that we met our goal? Our goal for today was, I can solve subtraction story problems with 2-digit numbers. In this video, we used 3 different strategies to solve subtraction story problems. We used cubes, mental math, and drawings. So I think we definitely reached our goal. Great work, friends! Hello, friends! It's Miss Azos here. Are you ready for some... Flat Miss Azos? What are you doing here? Are you taking a video of yourself? Yeah, I'm the math teacher today. Flat Miss Azos, you are just too funny. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed learning with us. I look forward to reviewing what we've learned in our next lesson. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!